If your logo does any of these 5 things, it's quietly making your brand look cheap, and you might be losing customers without even realizing it. Sign 1, your fonts are all over the place. Most beginner logos use random fonts picked in seconds, and it shows. A professional logo uses consistent typography and balanced spacing. Sign 2, your colors don't match. Clashing colors, neon shades, and low contrast instantly make your brand look inconsistent. A professional designer picks a color palette based on psychology and balance. Sign 3, your logo is pixelated or stretched. If it looks blurry or distorted on your website or social media, your brand feels low quality, even if your business isn't. Sign 4, you used clipart or generic icons. If your icon comes from a stock library, thousands of other brands might be using the exact same image. It destroys uniqueness. Sign 5. The spacing and alignment are off. Proper logos follow spacing rules that make them look clean and intentional. DIY logos often look slightly off, even if you can't explain why. Here's the good news. You don't need Photoshop or design experience to fix any of this. You can hire a professional logo designer online for $10 to $30. You choose a style you like, send a simple description, and they handle fonts, colors, spacing, icons, and high-resolution exports for you. If you want a list of highly rated, affordable logo designers, I put my recommendations on my YouTube channel homepage. Just tap the link in my bio or visit my Linktree to see the designers I trust.